Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday morning. It's like, hold on, honey. It's 7:42. I was up all night with Charlotte, so I am really tired, but she is teething right now, so I know what I'm in for, but it's just like, So Benjamin is begging to open number 15 today. Is it another Christmas one?
It should be one more.
We've gotten way more than 6 Christmas ones, so maybe there's
number 3.
Maybe there's just only Christmas ones that nobody else can get, and these are ones that you can get somewhere else. So I don't know, but this one's cool. This is number 3, which is I think Percy. I don't know. Oh, doesn't look like Percy, but yeah. Okay, and today is the 15th, so Benjamin's gonna open number 15. Wherever it is, right here, honey. Today's book of the day is... What is that?
The Lion King.
The Lion King, yeah. So, yeah, I just woke up. I went to coupons.com. There's, like, nothing to print. It's, like, really, like, it just sucks on that website lately. But I'm going to probably get something to eat real quick and then start getting dressed and hopefully be out the door by 9 o'clock is what I'm hoping. So we will see. Ben found the chocolate. It's the ham. So yeah, I'm just tired, you guys. So Miss Charlotte's like, hey Mom, I want to crawl to you, but I'm just going to sit here for a second before I start crawling to you. Yeah. Yeah.
There's chocolate inside the cup.
She's tired too. Benjamin woke us up from sleeping, so yeah. Hey everybody! So yeah, I am at Walgreens right now. I just left, so I just did my haul. I am really pushing Ibotta this month, you guys, especially for the next 2 weeks. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this necklace, Benjamin made it for me at school, and he wanted me to wear it while I was couponing today. And Graham's like, are you seriously gonna wear it all day? And I'm like, kid wants me to wear it, I gotta wear it. So I am now gonna head to CVS. Yeah, it is 13 degrees outside, you guys. It is so cold outside, but it's nothing. When you live in Wisconsin, this is nothing. But yeah, so I'm going to CVS, and then hopefully I'll be home by noon. So I got 2 hours to shop at CVS, do my videos, and be home by noon. So let's go. So you guys, it is 6:01. I haven't been vlogging much this weekend because I'm just kind of laying low. But I'm trying to get Benjamin to clean up. I will in just a second. Trying to get Ben to clean up this place because I'm really trying to keep up with it. So there's this stuff like all over the floor. Not that bad, but I'm going to spend the next 30 minutes just picking up, and you guys will have to see what we're doing. But we just went.
I'm like 9 sleeps. I'm gonna see Jewel.
Yeah, but we're just chilling right now, watching Wonder Park. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I got it.
How about catch it?
Oh.
I'll get it.
Hey.
Guys,
What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, yes. Hey everybody, so it is now 8:05. I just popped me some popcorn. I'm watching an oldie movie called Bye Bye Love. I used to watch this movie all the time when I was a kid. Graham's upstairs trying to get Ben to go to sleep, and then he's gonna come downstairs and we're gonna finish watching a movie together, and then we're gonna wrap some presents and just relax. So I'm hoping to be in bed by 10 tonight, so we'll see how it is. But yeah, so it's again another short day. Didn't do very much. We went to Pick and Save, grocery store, shopping. But tomorrow I'm just going to kind of just make it a lazy day. But hopefully we'll have some fun. See you guys later. Goodbye.